Hey everybody, it's Lollipop14 here, and we are back with our castle build.
Yeah.
Correctamundo.
Hold up, I'm about to start mine. Hello you guys, I am back with the builds, and this time they finished building.
We did not finish.
Yeah,
I am not finished.
Wait, I mean not finished, but...
No!
What?
You know what they did when they turned the server off? They got rid of minecarts. They fixed it.
No!
Yeah. They finally fixed it. Okay.
Go to your builds. Go to your builds. Go to your builds.
I'm at my build.
Me too. Not mine.
I really hate servers
Easy
sometimes.
inside.
Minecarts do not cause lag. TNT causes lag.
Wait, do they still allow TNT?
No. I'll be surprised if they did.
Hey! Dragon! Do you like what I did with the design?
No.
No. Again.
No. Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Okay, I'm gonna try to make like this. Holy crap! Where did that tree come from? That was me planting it.
Oh my god, that is a big tree.
Yeah, no, this one's gonna be the tallest, and then I'm gonna have a bunch of little ones.
What? I didn't do it.
Oh, it has water. You cannot even see the water anymore. It's copyrighted.
What is this?
Trees.
I don't like this. This is horrible. You need to start over.
Okay. No, I'm not.
You're just like, no, I'm not. No, I ain't doing nothing like that. Okay.
It's going to be a jungle inside of it.
Death sentence?
Ah, I'm inside of the tree.
I always wanted to see that.
Wow, it does actually look like a jungle.
It's a jungle temple.
Not a jungle
Just
temple.
less
but
temple-y.
a castle.
Just less temple-y. Yep.
Oh, okay. It actually looks pretty cool. Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
Literally, you walk inside of it and it's a jungle.
Da 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 da. What?
What the hell up?
No.
Look at her build from the inside.
Yeah.
Look at sparkles. It's like so awesome because they have.
Yeah.
like,
Don't look at mine. Mine's stupid.
Ah. What the hell did you?
What? This is where the Ender Dragon sleeps.
Oh, you should make an Ender Dragon then. You should make like a small Ender Dragon in here.
I can't make an Ender Dragon. I'm not that good.
I'm gonna wait. I can make one for ya.
Okay, I make it.
Like, I'm just gonna make the head of it.
Better than nothing.
Oh wow. Damn it, did it. Motherfucker. Okay.
Inside joke.
I don't know what that was.
It's an
It was
inside
just
joke.
like
That's what that was.
awkward after you did that.
Mackenzie would understand.
Right.
She would. She made it up.
Again. Bye.
Big freaking head.
Ender Dragon has big old heads.
Okay. Just like Alyssa, you're blind.
What?
You're blind. That's what.
I'm doing the windows. I just came around here.
Exactly. You're blind.
You've got to be kidding me, Bren.
What?
On top of my tree.
Yup.
I'm gonna make an Enderman better.
Oh my god.
Enderman. No, they don't have this type of eyes.
Yeah, well, that's
No,
what the
they
Ender
don't.
Dragon has.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I made the Ender Dragon. Ender Dragon!
Oh my god! What the hell is this?
Okay, that's the Ender Dragon.
Do you want it to be a girl or a boy?
The Ender Dragon is a girl.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. It's a girl.
Remember that very strange conversation we had in 6th grade during social studies?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a girl.
Yeah, it's a girl. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. A Minecraft expert told me it's a girl.
It's not.
You can even go ask the. You could go and ask. What is this?
He has a horn!
No, he doesn't. No, she doesn't.
No, that's not it.
No, I got an idea.
What the hell? You have big ass bones.
No, that's seriously what her nose looks like. What is that? She looks like a puppy.
You look like a reindeer.
She's a puppy.
No, the peak is background.
No. I'm gonna get out. Get out of my castle. Get out of my castle right now. Just get out.
Wait.
Get out of my castle. Get out
She can
of.
ban you.
Yeah, I can. I can
She
ban
can
you from my
ban you.
plot.
What the hell?
No messing with my Ender Dragon.
It's pink! I thought you liked pink.
I like purple.
Oh, okay. Purple. Purple. Purple!
No. Stop. Oh, that's it.
I thought you liked purple. Okay, and you gotta take it back once you know what I'm gonna do. You can do that. Oh, so you did it, okay. You'll see what's gonna happen.
What?
Not on the server, it's on a website. You'll see. I can actually ban your video on YouTube. You know that, right? You know that, right?
That's the Ender Dragon. I can see that.
Silence. Do you hear me?
I'm not listening.
Well, I'm just telling you. I can ban you.
And I can ban your videos.
No, because you don't know how to.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Alyssa, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Sure.
Nothing.
Sure. Okay, there, I'm done. No more touching the Ender Dragon.
Let me type in peace.
Okay, I'm re-adding you. I'll re-add you to my plot.
You're like a freaking bear. What the hell is your problem?
That's actually what the Ender Dragon looks like.
You must be on some crack or something.
I will go fight the Ender Dragon right now.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Make a portal.
No, you can't on here.
Yeah, you can't on the server.
Oh, where?
Oh god, not this world. No. Okay.
On on a single player?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay here and keep open.
Okay.
It does not look like nothing. The freaking Ender Dragon did not have glowstone in his eyes.
I didn't put glowstone.
Does not have iron fences or whatever.
No, it doesn't. I made a base inside the head.
Oh.
Jeez.
Still, there's no base inside the Ender Dragon's head. Common sense.
How big is the portal? 5 by 5?
I think, I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's 5 by 5.
I think, I don't know.
Yeah, it's 5 by 5.
Hold on.
Wubba 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 wub. Wubba 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 wubba.
Oh, I think it's 3 by 3, right?
It can't. No.
No, like 3 wide, 3 to the sides, or something like that.
It's not. Oh, it must be. It's not 5 by 5.
It's like 3, and then like it's like another type of side. I don't know how to
It
explain.
can't be 3 by.
Yes.
6, 1, 2,
3 by 3,
4,
but you gotta.
5, 6.
No, I don't think so. I think it's 4 by 4. Well, you have to do it the other way. I don't know how to explain you.
I don't know how. I can't. Like I think it's 5 by 5. It looks about right, but it didn't work.
5 by 5 is too big, I think.
No. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It has to be 3 by 3 like 2 or something. I don't know.
Well, that's too small. Cause I know it's a. It's not a 4-block radius that you jump in. It's like. It's bigger than that.
It's a 3 by 3 because it's like a big space.
2, 3,
But it's
4,
not.
5. Okay, I made it too big. I have a horse sitting here watching me trying to make the ender portal. How do you make it then?
You gotta aim the end of your vendors into facing the inside of the portal.
What do you mean?
Like, make the eyes look at the portal. I don't know. How do you make this?
Okay, I'm just gonna go find the ender portal.
Why can't you just look up pictures of the Ender Dragon?
I'm recording.
Yeah, me too. Just because you record? Come on. I'm looking for one too.
I bet I'll find it first.
I'll find it first.
I found horses and donkeys and wolves and a sheep in a tree.
Me too.
Oh, I found it.
Yeah, me too.
How?
Because it was nearby me.
Wow. Are you in it yet?
Yeah. I'm gonna be right now.
Yeah, I'm digging down into it. Oh, okay. I was a bit off. Found it!
Nice.
Oh! It doesn't have corners.
Yeah, it doesn't have corners. You don't know that?
That's what I was messing up then.
I told you it was 3 by 3, but without corners. You said no, it's 5 by 5.
Shut up.
It's 3 by 3s, right?
Okay, I'm looking at the Ender Dragon right now. Okay, where are you? Come here. Okay, I literally can't. Oh, I have mobs off. That would be an issue. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Okay.
Come back here! Oh, she's flying away from me.
They should have named it at least Ender Dragon or something, because why would they name it Ender?
Ender.
Well, no, that's like a guy's name, I guess. It sounds like.
Hey, wait, you're back online.
Yes, I am. Okay, I got what she looks like.
She did not like nothing like how you made her. Or him.
There. And you're not supposed to look at the inside of her. Jeez.
I didn't, I'm just saying that he didn't make it like it her inside.
Okay, my castle is amazing. Okay, I'm done. I give up. My castle is done. It looks pretty amazing if you ask me. Are you back yet?
No.
What are you doing?
I'm defeating it.
What?
I'm defeating it.
Wow.
Yes.
I just looked at her and then left.
Yes.
Wow. What is this?
I'm done it.
This is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Whoa!
Oh.
Yes! Oh, that is
Hold
so
on.
cool.
Here. Don't interest it here. This.
We're in Juju Craft, right?
Okay,
Hold on.
me and
Yeah.
Trisha are gonna have to leave now.
What happened?
We're gonna have to leave now.
Who?
Okay, so are you done with your castle, Alyssa?
Yeah.
Wait, what do you mean? You guys are leaving?
Well, I have to go do something. So, I'm done with my castle. Is Alyssa done? Are you done?
I accidentally
Yeah, I'm done.
clicked. My God, I accidentally clicked faction. Hold on, let me end the video over there first.
Well,
So,
aren't you gonna look at the
so
different
who-
castles to judge?
Who has to go? There, back. I told you she don't have those type of eyes, liar.
Okay, well,
But if it's a robot and you can control it from the inside, you can see through her eyes though.
Yeah. Okay, so this one, or this one, this castle. Leave a comment saying which one you like better.
This castle.
You're not supposed to judge right now.
Castle.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Lollipop14 Presents, and I will see you all later. Bye! My particles just exploded.